we're gonna get shot. What are you doing there, Jeff?
I'm removing the fuser.
The fuser to do what? Are you doing maintenance work here on our printer?
Yeah, I'm putting a new fuser in.
New fuser, okay. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna put it right there and tape you, okay? How long do you think that's gonna take?
I got the old one out. See, that looks in pretty good shape.
It's not bad. I've seen better and worse.
See, that's what I was talking about.
Okay.
That gets hot.
Yeah.
And melts that.
The ink on there, yeah. Okay.
Toner.
Alright, cool. Elizabeth had been on the Sular 10 millimeter, and that's 50 millimeter being made from the effect. But if I'll see what pretty strength the season will put it on, and also see who goes on the third.
It didn't take you long, did it?
I appreciate it.
Did that part? Where'd you go get it at?
What I used one in St. Albans 2 days ago and reordered it. And when I got back to the office, it wasn't long before UPS arrived.
Yeah. I'm getting a pretty good shot of the camera. He's out of picture right here. But I could when he puts it in there, I'll have a good shot of him. Stick it in.
One in the 6 states west of the Mississippi. I don't like photograph.
Oh yeah, I have to get in your face. You're just getting your hand, and if you want to get your butt down there, you can get your butt in there too. And we don't want to show about your face.
Face? No.
It doesn't know who you are. You can mark me in.
Here, we're not that many back in.
We'll take care of you.
Yes, they did.
Almost. Okay, that's it. So far it's taking you 4 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm not putting pressure on you, but it has to be less than 10 minutes. Okay, so you got a little bit over 5 minutes to work.
Yeah.
I'll be over now, Sarah.
Job done. Kmart is now operational again.
Now what? No. I didn't. Kim, I'm so sorry.
Come when you're at now. I'm on a report on the city report. Driving on a report?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Okay, I ran 2 reports here. Sorry. No, it's not.
Oh, it'll stay queued up.
Okay, stay queued up. Okay. You don't have to ready. Basically, what you got to do. Box to help you. Oh, please.
I don't know about that.
What don't you know about Jeff?
You said you ran 150 some?
So far today, yeah, we
No, you ran.
not nothing here. That's a piece of junk. I mean, on this thing here,
You ran 4.
I mean, probably that sounds about right. 4. That sounds about right though. We're up to 154 right now for the total for the day. We use it just for printing reports and overnight stuff, so we use it primarily for right now.
Did you see it up there? Now my dad uses that. He's got the little smart, and it works.
Can you recycle that old part there, Jeff, or not?
Pardon me?
Can you recycle the old part, send it back to Lexmark, and they can recondition it? And
Yeah.
send it back to somebody else?
My dad uses that. And he likes it. He likes the other one bad. And I mean, it's just, you know, for, you know what I mean?
Doing something. I go something on Jeff. All right.
I told you to stay queued up.
You did, man. Hand me that report there and see it. What's the dollar amount in that box?
$2,508.44.
That's the third-party report so far for the day. That's not great, but we'll hopefully do more than that. Okay. Well, that was good.
All right.
Thanks, Jeff. You done a great job, buddy. And you did record time.
Thank you very much.
8 minutes and 20.